In case you are not aware about transformable shotgun microphone, I think you should look at this Comica Traxshot. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gotong. We are in 5 minutes tech review video again. I hope this style of video can save a lot of your time from watching long video, but at the same time get a quick idea about the gadget that we are going to talk about in just 5 minutes. Let me know in the comment down below if this style of video works for you. In today's video, we are going to unbox this Comica Traxshot. Look at this. Can you believe this is a shotgun microphone? In the next 5 minutes, I'll be doing a quick unbox video to show you guys what's coming together in the box, going through the feature of the mic, and finally some audio test sample, indoor and outdoor. So, let's go! In fact, this shotgun microphone can be oriented in 4 positions depending on your recording needs. So the first one is mono mode, which both of the mic 1 and mic 2 are pointing to the one direction. This orientation particularly useful if you wanted to pick up the audio from one subject, which is directly in front of you. So in this orientation, the audio will be recorded in mono track. The second orientation is S1, which is 30-degree angle. So in this orientation, the audio will be recorded in stereo mode. This orientation is 90-degree stereo mode, which is S2. So both S1 and S2 will give you a stereo audio. So the audio recorded in 30-degree and 90-degree stereo mode will give your audience a more immersive experience of the audio recorded, as the audio is actually coming from the left channel and the right channel. I'll share some audio sample in a short while. So the last orientation is the T mode. So in this orientation, one microphone will be pointing towards yourself and the other microphone will be pointing towards your subject. So this is particularly useful if you are doing a vlog or interview where you wanted to pick up the audio from the person that you are interviewing, at the same time your own audio. So in traditional shotgun microphone, usually the mic is pointing towards your subject. So as you speak, your own audio will be very weak and soft. So Traxshot will solve this problem. So by default in T mode, the audio is recorded in a mono track. So that means the audio between yourself and the person that you are interviewing basically are recorded in the same track. So that also means that you can't actually modify or adjust the volume between yourself versus your interviewee. So what I suggest is, even if you are using this position, you still use either the S1 or S2 mode. So by doing so, the audio that you recorded will be in a separate track where you can do some editing in post. There's a lot of innovation has been putting into this shotgun microphone. On top of, besides the transformable 2 microphone that you are seeing here, the other thing is the innovative air float shock mount system. I believe there's a lot of thought and design has been putting into this shock mount system. As compared to a lot of other shotgun microphone, the shock mount system usually looks like this. So Comica Traxshot air float shock mount system basically will be able to take on the weight of the whole structure, as well as take away any noise possibility created during the movement of the mic. Another great feature is the ability to adjust the gain right on the microphone itself. So this is indoor audio test for Comica Traxshot shotgun microphone. I'm currently putting the mic in M mode where both microphones are pointing towards me. How does it sound like? Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Mic testing 1, 2, 3. So for stereo test, I thought you should put on your headphone so that you can experience the sound coming out from the left to the right channel. So how does it sound? I also bring out to the street for you to experience the audio pickup from the street. So let's go. Hi guys, I'm currently out on the street with this new Comica Traxshot. It is a transformable shotgun microphone where currently I'm using a T mode where one side of the microphone is pointing towards myself and the other side of the microphone actually pointing towards the environment. So it is particularly very useful if you are doing a vlog or you are shooting an interview where one side of it you are pointing towards yourself and the other side is pointing towards the environment or the interviewee. So that's it for today's video. I hope it helps you in understanding a little bit more about Comica Traxshot. Hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you are not already done so. It will be much appreciated. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.